Hello everyone and welcome to break 1932 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, 11:37 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:37 p.m. Central Time, and 8:37 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Hobby Hot Hits, 4 spots, Bodell 11, Painter Boy 1, Painter Boy 1, Royalty 1, Triple B 1, Club 1, Ranger Medic 3, Element 2, Ray 5, Lighty Cards 2, Ryan 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. We have Hobby Hot Hits on top, Ryan on the bottom, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Bodell on top, Ranger Medic on the bottom. Bodell, you have the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Laddie Cards, Bills, Ryan Panthers, Bodell, Bears, Bengals, Triple B with the Browns, Bodell, Cowboys, Broncos, Painter Boy, Lions, Element Packers, Bodell, Texans, Ray Colts, Laddie Cards, Jaguars, Hobby Hot Hits, Chiefs, Bodell, Chargers, Ray Rams, Hobby Hot Hits, Dolphins, Bodell, Vikings, Patriots, Ray Saints, Hobby Hot Hits, Giants, Ranger Medic, Jets, Raiders, Ray Eagles, Royalty Steelers, Ray 49ers, Element Seahawks, Hobby Hot Hits Buccaneers, Club Titans, and the Ranger Medic with the Redskins. All right, whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And if it's college, we'll check it out for his 2020 team. Going to Juju Smith-Schuster, USC. This will go to the Pittsburgh Steelers, and we'll look him up to confirm the Gem Mint 9.5 Leaf Draft of Juju. Juju Smith-Schuster, John Smith-Schuster. So we'll look up Juju. And Juju is going to the Pittsburgh Steelers and Royalty Rips. Congrats, Royalty, on the Pittsburgh Steelers Juju Smith-Schuster break 1932 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on eBay. Please leave us feedback as well. You'll find us on social media. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the second spot in bonus 57. And then we have breaks 1927, 1919, and 1928. Thanks.